Hello everybody, this is me again, Martin, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to create bar graphs in Excel, right, because some of you guys seem to have problems with them. So here is data which shows basically per 1,000 word frequencies of swear words in Irish English. I used the ICE Ireland and I only chose the private dialogues, so S1A 001 to S1A 100, as you see down there. Also in this spreadsheet I included the gender of speakers and their token counts. Then what we've done before is we saw how many swear words a particular speaker uses, and then we calculate the per 1,000 word frequencies. Right, to create a bar graph, just sort the data according to gender. I did this before here. So now we have all the women and the per 1,000 word frequencies. What we do now is we'll just scroll down, and here where there's a break between males and females, we'll create a new line. Right? And what we'll do here is we'll sum up all the swear words used by females and all the words uttered by females. So you see that basically females have uttered 113 swear words over 157 thousand words. Well, about roughly. Okay. So here we'll create the per 1,000 word frequencies. We'll just divide the number of hits by the number of words and times 1,000. So females have on average uttered 0.72 swear words per 1,000 words. Right? Let's look at males. Again, we sum up the total of swear words uttered by males, which is 69, so less than females. Now we sum up the words, but we also see that males have used a lot less words in the corpus. So now again we'll create the per 1,000 word frequency. Number of hits divided by the number of words uttered by males times 1,000. We here see that males have used more swear words than females, at least when it comes to per 1,000 word frequencies. Alright, I'll just use these two cells. I copy them and I'll put them here. And of course I go over Inhalte einfügen, Werte. Okay, and I'll do the same thing for females. There they are. Copy, Control C, and here not Control V but Inhalte einfügen, Werte. Okay, so N and normalized frequency. Here we have females, here we have males. Now depending on what you want to show, you can choose each of these numbers to create a bar graph. Alright, for the first bar graph I'll use this column. You could do it probably in more in a nicer manner. I'll just do it this way. Right? No, gender should be the header. Right? And I'll format the cells so that I only see 2 decimal places. I don't like all the rest of the decimal places. So now you go to Einfügen, Säulendiagramm, or bar graph, whatever you want. Right? Now I want the females to have a different color. Well, for example, yeah, light gray is nice. Right? And the males, I want them to have another color as well, and I'll choose a darker shade of gray. So this should be fine. Okay? So you might think, well, that's alright, but still I want to make the bar graph a little nicer. Right? So here, for example, I'll say I want it to be a maximum of 2 instances per 1,000 words, and don't want too many lines between. Right? So almost done. All right, but still, as I told you, I'd like you to put titles, right? Or to include titles of the axis, right? So you do that with layout, axis titles, and here I'll put in normalized or relative frequency of swear words per 1,000 words. All right. I'll have a different header. I'll say this is gendered use of swear words. Don't need this because basically we have information here. Also, I want to have the values in there, and as a last step, of course, I want it to be Times New Roman because basically my paper will be written in Times New Roman, and I want the graphs and figures to have the same kind of font as the paper. Choose Times New Roman. I'll make the font size coherent, and basically here we are, right? So here you have a bar graph which shows that females use swear words substantially less than males. Males use them about twice as often, though per 1,000 words 1.6 words isn't that much, even in quite an informal register. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. See you again hopefully soon. Alright, bye bye.